IVM.
All right, welcome to another episode of IVM Likes. This is great. I'm joined by three of my fellow producers, Vineet Mandal, Vinay, what's your full name, man? Joshi, and Zalak Shah. What's happening, guys?
Hi.
Drum roll.
Hello, everyone. Hello,
Yeah,
everyone.
hello.
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 What's with this revamped audio quality?
It sounds better than it usually does.
Yeah.
This is because we are in studio except for Zalak. So if Zalak sounds bad, that's
Yeah.
on her.
Yeah.
Because she
I'm
didn't want to come
sorry.
into work today.
But what's the
That's
full
right.
name?
Zalak Shah. Zalak Dekhu, Zalak Dekhlaja also. Zalak Tak
Yeah,
Chal.
Zalak Dekhlaja is more
all of
popular.
those. Those are all
Zalak
her
Tak is
names.
second most popular.
Zalak Tak is the second most popular?
Yeah.
Is that the one you get the most, Zalak?
Yeah,
Which is the one?
definitely.
That's the song you get the most. Okay, cool. Well, what other ways do people call you Zal? Zala? Laka? I
People
don't
call
know.
me Zach.
Huh?
Yeah, people call me Zach.
Call you Zach or Zal?
I made the nickname up and I told people that instead of Zal, Zala, whatever, call me Zach, that's better.
Okay, cool. Okay, don't worry. Guys, we're gonna have an awesome episode today.
Yeah.
We are playing some awesome film games.
Yay.
Where we have to guess the movie's name, and there are reviews involved, and there are badly described movies involved. It's terrible summaries. And so yeah, a lot of fun stuff coming up on this episode.
Is this the first time it's happening?
This is the second time we're playing. We're gonna be playing the Raji Masand game. That it's an IVM Likes original, by the way. I mean, almost original. It's kind of copied from another podcast, but then there are like Indiannesses added to that. That it's too far removed that even the original host saw it. He would be like, "Hey, that is a different show." Okay, so
Yeah.
it's an IVM Likes original Raji Masand game. And the second thing is something Zalak has recently discovered, which is
Yeah.
badly described movie summaries.
Oh, yeah.
And
We tried that out.
yeah,
Yes.
and a lot of us are terrible at it.
Yeah.
But I know that if Hunger Game comes up, I will get it right.
No,
That's
even
the one
I
we
will
play.
get the rich millionaire getting like jealous of.
None of them are in the game.
Oh my
Oh
god!
damn it!
Okay.
Oh, of course,
All
she won't
you
repeat
want.
it. She obviously won't repeat it, guys.
Yeah.
So-
Batman
That's
versus
Batman
Superman.
Yeah.
versus Superman.
So all of that coming up on this episode right after this very short break. So please stay tuned.
$100. That's all it takes to begin your journey with Bitcoin and Ethereum. No, really. With CoinSwitch, you can start investing in over 100 cryptocurrencies with just 100 rupees. On top of that, there are zero charges for deposits and withdrawals, so you can trade, buy, sell, however and whenever you want. All of this, plus their extremely intuitive interface, makes CoinSwitch the perfect app for beginners in the crypto space. But don't take my word for it. Just download CoinSwitch for free and try it out for yourself. If you'd like more information on cryptocurrencies, tune into a show about crypto with me, Rohan Joshi, my new adventure on IVM Podcasts. CoinSwitch, kuch to badlega.
And we are back. I don't know why I did that. That's a new one. All right, Zalak, should we start with the first round?
Okay. One
Yes.
question.
I'm really interested to see how I stack up with against Vineet and Vinay.
Okay, so my question is like, if we win, what we get?
Respect.
Oh,
You
is
get
it?
to
Yeah.
address Zalak as Zalak
Zal.
Dekhu or Zalak Dekhlaja.
Jalak Diklaza. Oh.
Yeah.
I know
And
you
if
want-
and if I win Antariksh's game, I get to address him as Sylvie.
Fair, you can address me as Silvery even
Yeah,
now. That's
yeah,
not.
that's not an
I don't
issue,
mind.
yeah.
That's not fair. Okay, I'll call you Richie then.
Okay, that's also fine.
What-
that's also.
Richie.
You can't be okay with that. I'll come up with
Dude,
something.
I have like multiple surnames. Sorry, pet names.
Okay, can you like list them?
Yeah, sure. There's Richie, obviously. That's the
Okay.
one I can call at home. The Silvery on Cyrus says. Then there is Assy when I fart and all.
Assy.
People call me that. And then there is Farty when I kiss other people's asses and smell their farts.
What?
That's called Farty.
Fuck
Yeah.
you.
I don't know. I just made that up. There's Beardy when I
Don't
shave my
shave.
beard because it's like an oxymoron kind of thing. Oh, this guy's
Okay.
beardy, but he doesn't have a beard. Sorry. There's also Biggie Smalls. That's the rapper's name. Sorry, that's not me.
Great. Assy is perfect.
Yeah, Assie's good. Okay, cool. Assie, you can call
Yeah.
me Assie. Yeah,
You
okay.
you can call him Gassy.
Gassy,
That's
yeah.
Cool.
better.
Gassy, yeah.
Gassie's good. Gassie's good.
Yeah.
I would mind that, especially in front of other women that I'm trying to impress. Don't call me Gassie, please.
Gassy. It is gassy. Yeah. I'm gonna win your game.
Okay, let's do this, man. Let's figure
Awesome.
it out. You want to start us off, Zalak,
Cool.
with your games?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you guys know how the game works, right?
Yeah, absolutely. If you
you
want to
guys- okay,
introduce a little bit more to the audience, but it's very simple. but yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, basically, I'll give a one-liner or a two-liner of a badly explained movie plot, and you just have to guess which movie I'm talking about.
Oh, it's gonna be
Okay,
interesting.
okay.
As simple as that.
It's so fun. And
So
listeners,
simple.
please, you can play along with us. And if you enjoy
Yes.
playing along with us, please tell your friends about this episode also, because we'll
Yeah.
be doing a lot more of these kind of things there.
Yeah.
And also
Yeah.
also tell us if you'd like to actually see this episode
Yes.
visually.
Hmm.
Yeah, or actually tell us if you don't want to see it, because we'll probably be releasing it anyway.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to see it, we'll remove it from when we release it.
No.
We won't. Okay, fine. Sorry, guys, you're tough out of luck. Tough titties. Sorry. Go
No
ahead.
fast forwarding allowed.
Yeah.
First one.
Yeah.
Small town doctor brings three people closer together.
Small town
Small
doctor.
town.
Swadesh?
3 people.
Brings three people
I thought
closer
it was
together.
3 people. Okay.
Small town doctor.
3 people.
3 people together.
You'll never be able to guess this.
Okay, you're that confident,
Oh
huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's that badly
Is it
described.
Munnawa MBBS?
Oh yeah, Munnawa MBBS.
No.
yes.
Yeah.
No,
It's
no,
a
no.
small
it's
town doctor.
badly described. Why would
Yeah,
she give
yeah,
away
yeah.
he's a doctor?
That's true. You'd probably say gangster, but that also is
Yeah,
giving away too
yeah.
much.
3 people. Badly described doctor. Is it Bollywood or Hollywood?
Hollywood.
It's Hollywood.
Oh, okay.
It's Hollywood.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hitch.
No.
No.
Wait. Okay, it's Hollywood. Sorry, I was thinking of Bollywood. I was
Yeah.
thinking Hindi for some
Yeah.
reason. But
Small town doctor brings three people closer together.
Okay, for sure there are 3 people. Okay.
Doctor Who?
no.
No.
Small town doctor brings 3 people.
Okay,
It's
this
like
is
Star Wars or
this-
something.
this-
It'll be something
yeah.
stupid like that. Lord of the Rings or something. I don't know. Doctor, dude. Doctor is throwing me off.
Doctor Doolittle? No.
Doctor
No.
Strange.
Doctor Strange?
I,
No,
I'm
he's
sure-
not small town doctor.
I'm sure it doesn't have a doctor in the name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Dex. No.
Dexter?
That's
No,
murderer, not a
yeah.
doctor. That's literally an anti-doctor. That guy. Okay, can you give us a hint?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
I'll tell you the genre. It's sci-fi.
Sci-fi genre.
Yeah.
You said it's Hollywood. Doctor.
3 people.
So I was probably right with Star Wars, Star Trek, Star.
Cold.
I'm
Cold.
cold. Space Odyssey, 2001.
No.
No.
Oh
Interstellar.
no! Wait. Hot.
Oh, 2001 Space Odyssey.
Hot.
Okay, so that's close again.
She
But
finds that movie hard.
Yeah.
Definitely do not. Once you get the name of the movie, you'll know it's not hot.
Life, is it Life?
No.
Space Jam.
E.T.
Something
No,
with space
no,
in it.
No.
No, but I'm close when I say it's 2001 Space Odyssey. How do
No,
I
you're
know?
not.
Oh, so hot is far away or hot is.
Hot is like you're
Then
closer.
Close.
Then you're cold. Wait, I got confused. Sorry.
Okay, so
Okay,
then I'm
now
hot.
we all are
Hot.
confused.
Now
Okay,
she
hot
is
means we are
confused.
close. Cold
Yeah.
means we are not.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Cold.
are hot. We are hot right now. Hot
Very
is-
cold. Very cold.
Oh, very
It's
cold.
Very cold.
No, we are very
Then-
far away.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. This is so
Okay.
confusing. Okay.
Should I
So
Google
Space
it?
Odyssey is wrong then.
Yeah.
Vinay, don't even try.
But she had said cold.
Annihilation.
She had said cold to something else. Star Wars, you had said cold to.
Hmm.
What was it?
Cold.
She said cold. Okay,
Cold.
cold.
Again cold.
Everything cold. Everything
Okay,
that
I
you
give
guessed
up.
until now is cold.
I like officially give up.
Pacific
Yeah, even I
Rim.
gave up.
Okay, 2 down. Antariksh, you are the only one.
Man, I'll just list all my movies. But go ahead, please. I can't.
Yeah.
The human centipede.
Oh shit.
Oh,
My god. That's gross.
yeah.
That's
Yeah,
terrible.
very good.
It's
Not
good.
hot at all.
Yeah, it's great that we started with that because half our viewers just literally tuned out after that announcement.
But then she actually gave away like he is a doctor
Yeah, he is a doctor.
Yeah, that is true.
and they get very close.
That is
Yeah.
Very
right.
cold.
They get together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Right.
cold. They get
Uh,
very cold, not close.
Have you guys, dude? I've the only thing I've seen of the movie is I've read the description of the movie. Not this.
No,
badly one, the bad-
I watched it.
You watched it?
The complete thing.
Oh.
Are you insane?
I couldn't.
How dude, disturbing as sure.
No, I was not at a very good place that time.
Mm.
So you're watching like bad
Yeah,
things.
bad
and
Bad.
movies.
I want to see the
Like-
worst things that exist.
Yeah.
Dude, terrible.
I'll have to
I
watch
could not. I could not. Just the description enough was
Yeah,
like, dude, I
same.
cannot. I'm not.
No, I
My
started
brain
it, but
won't
I
be able to
couldn't
handle it.
continue.
Yeah, my
So
brain won't be able to-
after a point of time, you can actually feel that pain. Like
Dude, don't even. Don't stop,
Yeah,
dude.
Yeah.
Just
don't-
stop.
don't- don't start.
even.
Yeah, don't
It's
even
too
start.
terrible, man.
no, because I'm saying this because it's not gross anymore after. Like,
How can that be, dude?
no, because it's so painful.
Man.
Yeah, for sure. So you're saying like
It's-
when you're seeing that your own butt is hurting, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
I feel that pain, dude.
Okay. Next one.
Next
Okay,
one.
Next one.
Yeah.
I'm giving you the hint pehle.
जी हाँ.
It's a completely opposite genre of Human Centipede.
All right.
A huge joint family depends and
Rom-com.
takes their life decision asking a dog.
Asking.
Asking a
Wait,
dog.
say that again. Sorry, say the whole thing again.
A huge joint family depends and takes their life decision asking a dog.
Burari deaths. What?
No, no. Asking a dog.
Up.
Opposite genre. Opposite
No,
genre.
it's not a huge family. No.
A joint family uses a dog to form their what?
Depends on a dog and asks them about their life decisions. Asks a dog their life decisions.
Marley and me.
Hachiko.
Asks a dog their life decisions.
You'll never be able to guess.
A family.
Why do you have
Why
these
do-
movies?
Yeah,
Why
that's
do you have
what.
these
Why
movies
do
we
you
can't
have
guess
these
them?
movies?
I did my research.
She's like that teacher who like purposefully wants the
Yeah.
students
it's
to
not.
fail.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
Shaggy Dog because.
I don't want you guys to call me Jhalak Dikhla. No.
Okay, fair. Like,
We definitely,
Yeah.
we definitely.
So we
getting an
change
F.
that. If we fail this round, we call her Jhalak Dikhla
Yeah, let's change
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Yeah,
let's
just flip
change
the
it,
rules.
yes.
Exactly.
I'll call all three of you gassy then.
Yeah, it's fine.
I
it's
won't
okay.
respond to Gassy.
Looking at my
Okay.
stomach, yeah.
No, I'll respond. Don't
Guess,
worry.
guess.
I know it's me.
Okay, movie.
Yeah.
Dog,
Joint family,
joint family, decisions.
life decisions. What life decisions?
Yeah.
All the decisions. Is it all the decisions?
Yeah.
Is it animated movie?
Yeah.
It's an animated movie.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay,
A
dog.
dog, dude. How many movies have
how-
dogs?
yeah.
I can't even think about dogs. Is it Game of Thrones? Is the wolf though?
No,
Yes,
it's
really
not.
Power
Yeah.
Rangers.
That was.
Dog.
Do you want another hint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Am I giving out too many hints?
No,
No,
it's perfect.
not at all.
We
Look
need
at
it.
us.
Yeah,
Right.
we're helpless.
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Bollywood movie. Okay.
Oh, हम आपके है कौन?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Thank you. I get 1 point.
I am
Yeah.
giving out too many hints.
No, yeah.
You,
that
you
was,
should say English or Hindi.
No, that's a hint that counts.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
because we are like,
It's
see,
very
right now,
confusing to.
I
like,
was thinking
yeah.
Hollywood. I didn't even.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Hollywood.
same-
yeah,
same
everyone
here.
was thinking
Yeah,
Hollywood.
I think let's just. Can you?
Should I say
you
Hollywood
should, you
again?
should do
Hollywood,
thumbs up or thumbs down.
No, what we can do is
Hindi, English.
Thumbs up.
complete the 5 Hollywood and then switch to Bollywood. Yeah, makes sense.
I'll tell you what, I've arranged it alternatively.
Oh, okay.
No, then
So
that's-
next one is
Chalo.
Hollywood.
Take it,
Yeah,
chale.
cool.
That's-
Yeah,
that's
Hollywood.
good. Yeah.
And this is pretty easy, okay? I'll be disappointed if you guys don't get it.
Yeah, the first two were
The
too
one-
easy.
Yeah, the one where Jennifer Aniston lost her man in front of the world.
Man in front of the world.
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah, this was easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's also
Next
some
one.
personal opinions from Zalak in that one.
It's from the internet,
It's from the
not my
internet?
opinion.
Oh, okay, cool then. Take it. Then
Okay.
the article writers, yeah, opinion.
Yeah.
She hates
Next one.
Angelina clearly. What are you guys? Angelina Brad or Jennifer Brad?
Angelina.
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 Angelina Brad?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Who's into Angelina Brad? Dude, Rishi?
I think Jennifer deserves better.
Oh, okay, like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Then. Take it. That's she does better than Brad.
Oh, sorry. I said Angelina and Brad, right?
Yeah,
Like, I was thinking.
Jennifer
Nah,
and Brad.
that's okay.
Aniston and Brad. You mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you, Vinay?
I'm okay. Like,
कुछ भी हो
कुछ भी हो.
मेरी तो नहीं होने वाली.
Nobody cares.
Vinay and Jennifer Aniston.
Yeah, that's
that's
she deserves better than Brad
Yes.
Pitt. Vinay, yes.
Yes, I'm all here. I'm sitting.
All right. Yeah, please. Zara, next one.
So the next one is Bollywood.
Okay.
Woman betrays her nation to spite her brother. The man who she loves cannot understand her and she is eventually friends with.
That Alia Bhatt movie.
Yeah.
Razi.
Razi?
Razi?
No.
Oh, the Gaddar.
No.
No.
Gadar.
Veer Zara.
No.
See,
We're just
repeat-
shooting.
Just repeat again.
Yeah, please.
Woman betrays her nation to spite her brother. The
To
man
spite
who
her
she
brother.
loves cannot understand her and she is eventually friends with.
Race 3.
I've not seen that movie, but I'm guessing no.
A woman betrays her country to spite her brother. Is that right?
Yeah.
Betrays her country to spite
Is
her brother.
I think I remember the movie number. It's not coming out.
This is not too difficult.
Yeah, it's Bollywood.
Yeah.
His
Yeah.
betrayal. How many Deshtrohi movies are there? Is that? Is,
I think Huma.
okay, can I
Qureshi is
ask
the
you a little
actor.
bit about the plot of the film?
No.
And you just say yes or no. If
Okay.
if you're so inclined. Okay. Is what you're saying the main plot of the film? It's not, right? It's just like a main like her betraying the brother is not the main part of the film.
No.
It's not. Okay.
Is Huma Qureshi the actor?
No.
No, then.
Were you
Hey,
thinking
enough
bell
questions.
bottom?
How many
Yeah,
questions do you
no,
want?
not well, not. Arey, Huma Qureshi.
Eh,
is
I
there
don't
in,
think
another
I don't
movie
I
too.
don't think it'll be that recent because we won't have. There's no way we would have seen those movies. So it can't be that recent.
Okay. Okay, cool. I give up.
Deshdrohi.
You want me to repeat?
You repeat one last time. Then
Okay, I don't give
then
up.
We'll all give up, I guess.
Woman betrays her nation to spite her brother. The man who she loves cannot understand
Fiza?
her, and she's eventually friends.
No,
with
that's a
him.
brother bit going. Mission Kashmir तो नहीं है.
मिशन कश्मीर तो नहीं.
It's actually
ये-
tricky.
अरे
Rustam? No.
no,
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 no.
जोधा
Nation, no.
अकबर, जोधा no.
Could be historical, right?
Yeah, is it
Jodha Akbar.
जोधा अकबर?
Okay, yeah,
is
that could be
there,
historical. Women only betray their nations like in prehistory, dude.
Yeah,
Like, how can you betray a nation as
yeah.
nowadays?
But then women don't betray anyone.
I mean,
Cute.
yeah.
Okay. No, cool. I give up.
I absolutely, yeah.
Yeah, pass.
I'm a loser.
Vinay,
He's
Yeah,
already
I'm
passed.
already past it.
Yeah.
Lagan.
Oh shit.
Hey,
Oh,
how-
yeah, dude. The
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, the
Rose,
white
no?
lady. Oh my god.
Tricky.
Yeah.
Rose, no, her name is? Is her name Rose? The white lady?
Memes, Gori
Yeah,
meme.
Gori
Gori
meme.
Memes,
Gori
Gori
meme.
meme.
Rose.
Yeah.
Teen gun
Man,
elegante.
देना पड़ेगा.
Next one is a
Yaji
Hollywood
tum
movie.
haar gaya. Yaji tum haar gaya.
Kachada.
कचरा.
Teen gun
Kachada.
elegante. That's one of my favorite dialogues.
So the next one is Hollywood.
Yeah.
Donald Trump is a human being for 3 seconds.
Donald Trump is a human
Being
being for
Simpsons?
3 seconds.
For 3 seconds.
Yeah, 3 seconds.
The Simpsons?
This is a Hollywood movie. It's a movie.
Hollywood movie.
Movie.
3
South
seconds.
Park. Is one of South Park?
Super
No,
easy.
South Park.
Oh, dude, Home Alone.
Yeah.
Ah,
Patu.
Nice.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nicely done. Human being because he actually helps the kid out, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Sweet. Great. That was good.
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah.
Lion King remade as live action film starring humans.
Starring humans.
Live action.
Humans.
Lion King.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Starring?
Sorry,
Lion
humans.
King remade as live action film starring humans.
So that
Okay.
means someone kills the father of the hero.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Amitabh Bachchan movie, dude. What is that?
Father of the hero. Suryavansham.
What is that?
No,
No.
kills. No.
Which Amitabh Bachchan movie?
I know.
Ajuba.
You know?
Sarkar.
Nahi, dude.
Ajuba.
Nahi.
Nahi.
See, somewhere it has to be a movie where Amitabh Bachchan ka father is killed by like some other family member or uncle or some villain or something.
Arey, that
And then
movie.
he comes back years later for revenge. Oh,
Eh,
the one
the
with the haath
Hrithik-
mein. Mera baap chor hai. What is that?
Yeah.
What is
मेरा
that?
बाप चोर है वही
What is
movie.
that?
I don't know.
Is that?
Coolie.
Oh, wait.
No,
No,
not
not
Coolie.
Coolie. It's
ऋतिक का रीमेक हुआ था यार.
नहीं
उसका.
bro. What is that?
अग्निपथ।
आज मेरे पास
अग्निपथ,
गाड़ी है, बंगला है,
अग्निपथ।
दौलत है, शौलत है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मेरे पास माँ है.
माँ.
What is that? What is the
शशि
movie?
कपूर.
That's not the movie.
No, that's not.
Ah, damn. I thought I
He
had.
guessed it. Abhineet said,
Suryavansham.
No.
no, you guessed
Agnipath.
what?
Agnipath.
Agnipath. Yeah, that's the wrong answer.
Was wrong. I thought you said correct.
Yeah, you said correct.
No.
I thought कि मेरे को मिल गया second
Yeah,
point.
exactly. That's what. Yeah, that's what. Okay, she said something Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, so we got that hit.
Okay, it's
Kalia.
Amitabh.
There are
Bachchan.
so
Did I?
many. There are so many.
Did I
good-
say that?
I mean, it seemed like you did.
Yeah.
It seemed.
Reverse psychology.
But dude, like, how many Amitabh Bachchan movies are there, dude? That is impossible.
A lot.
It's not Shahenshah, is it?
No.
Is it? Okay.
Cold.
Could you repeat again?
Cold.
Could you repeat again?
Lion King remade as live action film starring humans.
Okay. Simba.
Hmm. Man, I can't.
काली चरण में तो नहीं है.
It is. Oh, Dawn or what?
Don't know.
खाई
बाप
के-
बेटे के ऊपर कौन सी मूवी है? Think Bollywood.
A hint or something?
Hint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh my
fuck
god.
us. From when we are thinking it's Amitabh Bachchan.
I didn't say it was Amitabh
Yeah,
Bachchan.
that's
You
not a
guys
hint.
just guessed because of my reaction. It is a hint.
Yeah. How?
You can
But
cancel
it
out
do-
so
it doesn't,
many
It doesn't
movies.
have to be a father dying. It has to be like someone loved
Yeah.
dying. No.
Karan Arjun.
So what is that Varun Dhawan movie?
What?
Badlapur.
Badlapur. October.
October.
I don't think so.
No. Can you tell us the year or something?
Man.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to search.
Okay,
it out.
second
no.
hint.
Okay.
Second hint.
Is the answer, I think.
Yeah.
Second hint.
Yeah, second hint would be the answer.
And it should be a good hint, dude.
Yeah.
Lion King in human form, dude. So again, it's somewhere where someone loved one. Let's go with father. Father dies. How many movies are father dying, dude?
There are too many, man.
I can't think of even one right now.
Yeah, I just said too many.
मैं हूँ ना.
मैं हूँ ना?
Nope.
No.
Okay, cool.
Kashmir Fiza.
I
Mission
pass.
Kashmir Fiza.
I pass.
Yeah.
2015.
It's the latest one.
No, still I pass.
Yeah, I won't really get it.
Mm,
Sure, Vinay?
Yeah, he's also pass. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him, man.
Yeah.
Bahubali.
Oh shit, man.
I never saw it. Okay, fair enough.
Well, how is
Did
it?
You
Yeah.
guys
that-
have seen
You
it?
got it.
Rishi holds the kid, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Rishi, you should
Rishi,
WhatsApp me, man.
Do you have your phone?
Yeah, I have it
Okay.
here.
Okay, Rishi gets
So
1
the
point.
Okay,
next
Rishi
one.
one point.
Okay. How many more do you have?
Now I think 5 more,
Okay. Fair.
4 more.
Cool.
I think.
Fair.
A bald guy teams up with another bald guy
This is
to
Bolly,
fight
right?
another bald guy.
No, this is
This is
Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Yeah, the
Hollywood.
Hollywood.
Okay.
Bollywood, Hollywood.
Okay. A bald guy teams up with another bald
Teams
guy.
up with another
Oh,
bald guy
Vin
to fight
Diesel.
another
Fast Furious.
bald guy.
Fast Furious.
Fast and Furious.
Which one though?
No.
No.
Which one?
Oh, okay.
Vin
Which one?
Diesel,
It can be Fast
Dwayne
5.
Johnson,
Fast 5.
Yeah, no.
and Kevin
No?
Hart.
Is it
Yeah.
The Fast and the Furious?
No.
Is it Too Fast, Too Furious?
No.
It's not Tokyo Drift.
Triple X?
No.
No.
It's a Fast and Furious. He's saying which one though?
Bald guy. Like 3 bald guys.
Dude, yeah. So there's Vin Diesel, there's Jason Statham, and there is The Rock. Which one is that? The one with
Worm.
Fast 8,
No.
No. 3 bold.
Fast 10,
No.
9? I don't know.
Okay, 1, 2,
I
Tell
don't-
me
I
the
don't-
name of the movie.
I don't know. I don't know the names of the movies, dude. Action Replay or something. I don't know.
Which one?
The Fast and Furious. Fast and Furious. That's the one.
F9.
F6.
10.
Okay, man. I'll never get the
Transformers?
final name. I'll never deduce. I can't deduce. the
I
name.
don't know which series number this is. I just know the name.
Okay, what's the name?
I've never seen this one.
Okay.
You given up.
Yeah.
there's-
Fast and Furious 5?
No. See, if the answer is Fast and Furious and one of the Fast and Furious
Need for
movies,
Speed?
there's
You
no way I
given
know
all
all
the numbers. Okay, guess. The three of you take one number.
Need for
Okay.
Speed?
No, it's actually
Yeah,
Fast
Okay.
and Furious. no?
Okay, you start from your
So
side.
I already said 1, 2.
Okay.
3 is Tokyo Drift, so that's also done.
Hmm.
4 is.
You can't give me all the numbers. Choose one. No.
Okay, I say 4. No, wait. All 3 of them have to be bald.
Fast and
You
Furious
said 3 bald
6.
people, right? In the question.
Yeah.
Okay, so 3 bald people is Jason Statham, The Rock.
The twins.
And-
Fast and
So
Furious 6?
I'll say 7.
Should I?
6? I say 6.
Okay, you say 6. I'll say 7.
I'll say 8.
Oh, I think I know the number now.
8.
Okay, bolo.
8.
The Fate of the Furious.
So that's
The-
which
I
one?
think-
9th.
No, 9.
That is 2017.
So but
6?
which number in the franchise
So
is that?
Hey,
Furious
Andre,
7
stop
came in
Googling, man.
2015 and Furious F9 came in 2021. So I'm guessing this is
6, yeah.
F8.
6. 7.
8.
8. I
I
said
don't
8.
I said 7, right? Oh,
You
6.
said
I
6.
don't know.
6 and 7 both, I'll say. No one has said that.
Yeah, so I was right. We got the Fast and Furious part. I think we should get at least
Oh, yeah,
partial
it's 8.
It's 8, no? So,
Yeah.
okay, I mean, just by luck gets it
Oh,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's because he guessed the number.
2.
Ridiculous. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
chill,
go
this
ahead.
one. This was a bad one.
No, that's fine. No, that's totally cool.
Yeah.
I was just saying, like Fast and Furious. There's no way we could have remembered the name.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
All good.
It's
That's
not
good.
Golmaal.
Don't worry.
Next is Bollywood. Protagonist comes up with the most
Wait.
elaborate.
You know all the Golmaal ka names are?
Golmaal again.
So Golmaal 1.
Fun
Then
Unlimited.
Golmaal
Fun
Re-
Unlimited.
Returns, no then.
Returns, then Fun
Returns.
Second one
Unlimited.
Returns. Then
Returns.
third one was
Fun Unlimited.
Fun Unlimited.
Yeah.
And then again. It's an
Yeah.
again.
Ghost movie came, no?
Yeah, that's
Golmaal 4.
Golmaal again.
Yeah.
Oh,
Again.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Fair enough. Sorry, Zara, go ahead.
Protagonist comes up with the most elaborate comeback for vandalism done to his wall by a kid.
Done to his
wall.
wall.
This is also fairly simple, actually.
This is Bollywood, right?
What is the first one? Who
Bollywood.
comes up with it?
Protagonist.
comes up.
Protagonist. Comes up with an elaborate plan to punish the kid or something. What?
Comes up with the most elaborate comeback for vandalism done to his wall by a kid.
Badlapur?
Is it
Uh-huh.
is it neighbors?
No,
Is
is
it
it
the
Neighbours?
Seth Rogen?
No.
It's
Bollywood.
It's
Oh,
Bollywood.
Bollywood,
Ah, sorry,
yeah.
okay. Elaborate plan by a kid.
Mr. India.
Is it Gully Boy? or
No.
something?
Is it Bichu?
No. What?
Why
No.
would you say Bichu?
Bichu, yeah.
Why?
I just remembered Bobby Deol, man.
Bobby.
Can you think of any movie with graffiti?
Graffiti.
But damage is not graffiti, is it?
No.
Oh, but she's
Yeah.
nodding her head. Is that
Yeah.
Yeah, so like vandalism, graffiti.
Yeah. Yeah, you're actually yeah,
Lukewarm.
lukewarm.
I can't remember any movie with graffiti also now, dude. This is ridiculous.
ABCD?
Nope.
No.
Graffiti, artisting.
Does it include
Damn it.
Salman Khan?
Should I give you the hint?
Salman
please,
Khan
yes.
का हो गया ना हम आपके हैं कौन? We got
हाँ,
it.
हो गया.
That doesn't mean
Yeah,
she
but
won't. She
yeah,
can't take
that's
another
what-
Salman movie.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
What do you mean? That doesn't mean anything. You don't think so? Doesn't mean anything. Dude. Yeah, please give us a hint, no?
No, Salman Khan.
No.
Okay.
I shouldn't
But
have
that's the
taken
hint.
the name
That's not the
only.
hint.
Yeah, that's
He
what-
asked me if there's a
that's
Salman
not a
Khan.
hint.
Is this,
Yeah.
if this is a Salman
Hints
Khan?
are
I'm telling
different.
it's
It's
not.
just a suggestion.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's one of his contemporaries.
I mean, any actor living is his
He's
contemporary. You've shortened
I
it
don't
so
think
much.
so.
Fan?
No,
Kid.
No.
Dear Zindagi.
no.
My God.
Zindagi na milegi
We are
dobaara.
so bad at this.
Yeah, this is so difficult.
Yeah, none of us are able to get it.
Rockstar?
I'm winning. Nobody's gonna call me Zalati
Ka-
Raja.
कल तो सब आ रहे थे मेरे को
मेरे को भी कल आ रहे थे सब यार.
Ah,
Okay, at least give us which year.
Okay. Wait, let me search for it.
a man
It's early
protagonist.
2010s.
Early
Early
2010s.
punishes a kid.
2007.
2007.
I was 8 years old. Damn it.
Man.
Protagonist
I was
punishes a
in school.
She
kid.
just gave away her age.
She said 2010. Is it from 2010?
It's not.
Eh,
It's not a lot.
2007.
I can give away my
It's
age.
2007. I was in school.
Yeah, we all were in school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2007.
Man.
Kid art.
Curse. No.
Oh shit, man. Yeah. I pass.
Yeah.
Give up.
It's too much.
Yeah, I guess, man.
Once you know the answer,
You hit
you
yourself.
know that. Yeah.
We'll just cut this
Chak De
part and
India.
we'll just
Yeah.
give the
Yeah.
answer.
Give me
we'll,
the
we'll
point.
patch
Give
it.
me the point.
Yeah.
Chak
Say.
De India.
Chak the India. Yes, I got it.
No.
Hey,
Okay, cool.
Vandalism.
Was it 2007?
He wrote
That's
Gaddar.
easy,
Yeah,
no?
that's true. That's
Yeah.
insane, dude. Wait. What is the thing? Graffiti?
Graffiti.
No,
oh, yeah, correct,
vandalism.
dude. Vandalism.
Vandalism.
Yeah.
Correct.
Ah.
Yeah,
So now,
Deshdrohi,
just
no?
picture Shah Rukh Khan just coming back and hitting that kid.
Maula
Yeah,
mere le meri jaan. Yeah.
Mumbai आ सकते हो.
Thank you. मेरी
last
तरफ से
two,
हाँ
okay?
है. Yeah,
There
sorry.
are
आ जाओ,
parallel-
ले लो अपनी
Sorry.
तकदीर की टोपी.
हाँ. Yeah.
No, that's
Yeah.
dance.
That's Dance India,
that's,
oh,
yeah.
okay.
Oh, that's Indian Idol. I was thinking, yeah, मेरी तरफ से हाँ है.
That's
Antriksh
Indian
is singing now. I feel
We,
like
we are
he'll
just
start
we are
dancing.
just
We
drifting
already
away.
have a Farhan
Yeah.
Akhtar.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
But Sonu
Nice
Nigam is
addition.
also you need, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
Okay, are we
yeah.
like-
So the last two,
Last
okay?
two, right? Yeah.
Okay.
drug
Wait,
addicted
up till
girl
now,
takes
I've gotten 2 points. Avin has 1.
No, I got 2 points.
Which one did you get?
Fast and Furious and
Ten.
Hum Aapke Hai Kaun.
Okay, Fast and Furious. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
all.
I have 0 points.
You should get half a point for that.
No, I got one.
Yeah.
I guessed Fast and Furious. You just have to
Just
guess a
give it-
number.
So I guessed it.
Oh, so I guessed.
Just divide the points.
Wow, that's so convenient. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Chalo, take it.
Hmm.
Yeah, Zalak.
drug addicted girl takes advantage of mentally challenged boy for 3 decades.
Oh,
Hollywood. again.
Hollywood, no?
Yeah.
yeah.
Hollywood.
Sorry. Can you repeat, please?
I know this one, dude.
Drug addicted girl takes advantage of mentally challenged boy for 3 decades.
Requiem for a Dream.
Akkala.
Drug addicted girl
No.
takes advantage of a guy. It's not Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas.
No.
It's
No.
drug
It's
addicted
not.
girl takes advantage of boy. Take advantage of what boy? What's the adjective?
Mentally challenged.
Mentally challenged boy.
Sex in the City.
No.
No.
Hey, which is that?
Which?
Which?
Oh.
No, I'm asking him.
Uh,
Do you want a hint?
Drug addicted girl. Monster? Is it Monster?
Is it animated or?
Drug
No,
addicted.
it's not animated.
Drug addicted gal.
Oh, great. one.
Oh, Mulholland Drive.
No.
Yeah, we need a hint.
The protagonist meets Elvis in this movie.
That's no help to me, dude.
This was released in 94.
Oh,
94.
94. I was
Yeah.
Pulp
like,
Fiction.
Nope.
I was like 1 year old.
Drug addicted girl for 30 years.
3 years.
For 3 years or 30
3
years?
30.
decades.
3 decades.
3
Three
decades,
decades.
30
Yeah,
years.
30
Yeah.
years.
Hmm.
How do you take another guy for 30 years, man?
Yeah, God. He must be rich.
No, he's mentally challenged.
So what, he can be rich?
He's mentally ill, but he's rich. Batman?
Oh. Oh, okay.
No, no.
I thought yeah. 94 though.
The
dude.
Joker.
So I know. What are the 30 years? Is it some Jim
30
Carrey movie?
years, man.
Oh, Truman Show.
Truman? No.
Nope.
Oh, at TV? No.
I have no idea right now.
Man, I'm sure again, see, the answer will come out and be like, dude, we could have totally guessed that. Rishi, any guesses? Okay, Rishi is sound,
Yeah.
he has no guesses also.
Okay, let's pass it.
drug-
Let's pass.
One sec, yeah, a drug addicted girl takes advantage of a mentally ill, what? Boy.
Challenged
Mentally
boy.
challenged boy for
3
3
decades.
30 years.
Decades. Oh my god.
Drug addicted girl. Yeah,
Taxi
I'm not.
driver.
I'm not 94 का तो नहीं
No.
है taxi driver. 70s का है. Even 60s maybe. But yeah, I'm done, man. I
Yeah,
can't.
yeah. Give us
Yeah.
give us the
Done?
answer.
Wait,
Pass.
this is Hollywood, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Hollywood.
Yeah, Hollywood.
No idea, no idea.
Forrest Gump.
Nice.
But no one has heard of this movie.
No, Forrest Gump is Tom Hanks, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Amazing movie.
yeah, classic.
Very difficult one.
I'm not even disappointed.
The next one has 2 correct answers.
Two correct,
Correct
answers.
answer. Is it like Jammu and Kashmir? Sorry.
Is it She's the Man and the other one? The one I got yesterday. That
You,
one
me,
is
or
a
hum?
possible answer.
So should I say it?
Yeah, say the question. And
A
let's see-
guy makes 500 crores because his girlfriend doesn't marry him.
Slumdog Millionaire.
No, it's Bollywood.
No, it's made in Bollywood.
No, it's a Hollywood.
Hollywood. Sorry, Bollywood. Yeah, Bollywood.
500. A guy earns $500
Dhadkan.
million dollars. 500. What? What is
What did you say?
Dhadkan.
Yeah.
it?
Oh.
How do you get
I
it?
won.
But that's one answer.
The
No.
second.
Second answer.
Yeah.
Second answer.
Do you want to still guess it?
Yeah. Second answer. We also will guess that one also.
Cool,
So wait.
cool, guess.
A guy makes $500 million.
500 crores.
500 crores.
Because
is it,
his girlfriend doesn't marry him.
Doesn't marry him.
what is that? Om Jai Jagdish.
What?
Janeman.
Nope.
Jaane man.
Curse.
मेरा हो गया.
Oh, you're just sitting now. You're not
Yeah,
even
how
guess.
did you guess that?
Because my mom is a huge Dhadkan fan.
Oh.
Oh, I get it.
oh.
Dhadkan, dhadkan. I just like singing. Sorry. Okay. Is it? It's not similar to Dhadkan. Is that not
ये
a movie
जिंदगी
called-
ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
No.
Is it a Govinda movie? Sound like a
It's
Govinda
Govinda.
movie. 500 million.
आमदनी
500
अट्टनी पर
crores.
खर्चा रुपये.
You know what?
Yeah.
Wrong.
Okay.
Govinda
Govinda movie.
movie.
गोविंदा मूवी.
Yeah.
Raja Babu.
Dulhe Raja.
दूल्हे राजा नहीं. Hero number 1.
You can't just give me a list of
Govinda.
Partner.
No.
No, no.
He's already rich in partner.
Yeah, that's true. Dil de diya
Coolie.
hai.
No, I said
No,
Coolie.
you said Coolie?
That's
Okay.
Coolie number 1.
Yeah,
Coolie
Coolie
is,
number 1. Yeah.
Amit.
Even hero number 1 is there.
Hero number
No,
1.
no.
Hero number 1.
आमदनी अट्टनी खर्चा रुपये.
Hey,
No.
I mean,
What
guess
is-
no.
what
If you
is the
get
title
this
of the
one, you
movie
get 2
and
more
what are you
points.
guessing?
Yeah.
500 crores is आमदनी अट्टनी खर्चा रुपया, bro. What are you talking about, man? Okay, wait. Just give us 1 minute, man. Let us just figure out the
1
perfect
minute.
Govinda movie to slide to this. Asina Manjaki नहीं हो सकता. जोड़ी number 1 नहीं हो सकता. It can't be. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah.
You
नहीं,
know
नहीं,
a lot
500
of Govinda
No.
movies.
I love Govinda.
Are you sure it's a Govinda movie?
She just said it's a Govinda movie.
I'm sure. Yeah.
अनिल कपूर का भी एक है ना.
Do you want another hint?
Oh,
Yeah.
head या
Yeah,
tail वाला.
yeah.
क्या नाम है?
Head या tail,
Head
head
या
या
tail,
tail.
प्यार
मोहब्बत
मोहब्बत दिल का
का
खेल.
खेल.
Yeah, what is the movie?
Yeah, yeah.
Give us some more hints, I guess.
I'm
इस खेल में.
There's a movie.
guessing if I give you this hint, it will be too
Then
easy.
give us another hint.
Yeah.
Don't give us that hint.
There's
No other hint?
Uh,
Okay.
Just Google it, man.
Do you
no, I have it. I've googled it, but I think if I give any of the hints, it will be too
Just
easy
try.
for you.
Just try.
So there's Rishi Kapoor in it.
There's Rishi Kapoor in
Govinda.
this movie.
साजन चले ससुराल.
No, Rishi Kapoor is his father-in-law, I guess, in this movie.
I don't know that.
Father-in-law
Oh.
or father.
जिस देश में गंगा रहता है.
Yeah,
नहीं,
no,
नहीं,
that's
नहीं,
not
नहीं,
Rishi
नहीं.
Kapoor.
How many movies has Govinda given?
Do too many, man.
Oh, a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Man.
ठीक है, I pass.
Rishi is Googling. Like, I'll get the answer.
I
Not
pass.
loud. Andarish?
Man.
Pass.
I also pass, yeah.
Vinay?
Wait, let me think, man.
Think.
Rishi Kapoor with the
Rishi
Govinda.
Kapoor, Govinda, I can't even think of
Yeah,
some movies
that's
that are
what-
together, dude.
Okay, there's also Shakti Kapoor.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no.
that
doesn't
Shakti
have it.
Kapoor thrown
Oh,
into
oh,
the
oh.
mix.
Aankheं. No,
No.
it can't be Aankheं.
Are it's
That's
is
Rishi
that
Kapoor.
no, I don't think so. Is there Amitabh Bachchan in that? No. Okay, pass.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There
just
is
give up.
Amitabh Bachchan in it.
There is Amitabh Bachchan in it with Rajnikant.
No.
No, then
No.
It's a Govinda movie.
with
With
Amitabh
Amitabh
Bachchan,
Bachchan,
and
Rishi
Rishi Kapoor.
And Shakti Kapoor.
And
And
Shakti
Shakti
Kapoor.
Kapoor and Salman Khan
Salman Khan too.
and
No.
Johnny
Aamir
Lever.
and everyone.
Yeah.
Kader Khan to of
Yeah,
course होना
Kader
चाहिए.
Khan होना
Govinda
Bhojpuri.
चाहिए.
रहेगा.
It's a Govinda movie.
Yeah, Kader Khan is there.
Kader Khan
Yeah,
is-
obviously.
It's a Govinda
Yeah.
movie.
Correct, makes
Yeah.
sense, yeah. Is it written by Kader Khan, the movie?
And directed by David Dhawan.
Yeah.
No and no.
No, we all like pass.
Wait, I think
Huh?
Rishi knows the answer.
Yeah.
Rishi, give the answer.
No.
Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani.
No.
No. Huh? Gharana.
Nope.
No.
Okay, now you give answer.
Now Rishi is clueless.
Naseeb.
Oh,
Nasib, I don't know that.
yeah.
I'm not
don't
even
know.
disappointed
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, that's fine.
Like give
Yeah.
everyone one points.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, man.
At least
Oh,
you'll
no
get
way.
one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at least I'll get one.
So now at the end of that, yeah, Zalak.
Yeah, so Abhineet, you get 3 points.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
Thank
you
you.
won this round.
yeah, man.
Thank
Abhin,
you.
Let's
Dhadkan
party.
saved me.
Let's
Also,
party.
Yeah, Dhadkan
Yeah.
saved you.
And in that round, Antariksh
Antariksh-
was 2 points and Vinay was 0.
Zero.
points,
Zero.
and zero.
Rishi
So-
was 1, but he didn't tell us.
Yeah.
Again, Rishi
Yeah.
is a sound engineer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
this was fun.
This was fun. Thank you. For
Yeah.
that. All right, guys. So Abhineet won that round. 3 points.
Yeah.
Asshole. No, I'm
Claps.
joking. That's
Slow
joking.
claps.
Slow
But-
claps.
Dhadkan.
Slow claps.
But-
slow
but-
claps from me.
that
Sunil
brings
Shetty.
us to the end of this very fun games episode. The games round of this episode. We'll give you guys some awesome recommendations right after this.
Yeah.
And we'll be back we'll continue this games episode next week as well, because we have some more games to play. And
Yeah, it's fun.
yeah,
it's
it was fun. It was just a lot
Yeah,
of
having
fun.
Yeah.
0 points is
Interesting.
fun.
Yeah.
We'll just replace
Jhalak
Vinay
needs to
in
come up
the
with
next
some
episode.
easy questions.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's cool. It's
Next
cool. No worries,
time.
man. Dude, we were just see all the answers were we knew most of the answers.
Yeah.
But it just
Yeah,
couldn't
but
Yeah,
I just
you
couldn't
knew it.
recollect them.
It's
Yeah.
tricky, man. Tricky.
Yeah.
Oh well. Okay, chalo. Coming back with recommendations right after this very short break. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Hey, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Agla Station Adulthood, Ritasha and Ayushi are in conversation with journalist Pallavi Iyer. They talk about her having lived in so many different cities, adulting through it all, and what motherhood means to her and how young folk can lead better lives and support the nation's progress. On Smarter with Sid, Siddharth asks if energy management is just a better way of time management. Tune in to find out if this is practical and possible. On Khel Niti, Rajiv Mishra, Ayaz Memon and Sabah Karim talk about Team India's elimination from the T20 World Cup, Pakistan's new team and New Zealand stepping into the semi-finals. On Smile India, Shifa discusses a Kolkata-based NGO that's trying to help single-screen cinema survive. And on Hansvani, hear the story Mere Liye Ek Minute and find out why a depressed man mourns his own death by observing silence for a whole minute. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And do follow us on YouTube. We have a number of different channels. You can find them on ivmpodcast.com/YouTube, where you'll be able to take a look at all of the channels we have. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week: Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, Intel, and Oxfam India. Thank you so much. You make this possible.
All right, and we are back, buddies. Vinay, let's start off my recommendation. What is your recommendation?
So my recommendation is a YouTube page called Badipa. So
Okay.
I like one of the series called I, Me, and like it's a series where a mother only talks about some traditions, but it is so rounded. Like the series is so rounded that they pick up one point and they start like a series on that point. As if like if it's Diwali, then they'll go to their nani's place and then they will think like I will broom the place, I'll clean the place, I'll paint, like let's sit for drinks and all those stuff. But in the end, like the mother says, like this is not like shastra astate, means like it's tradition. If you do anything wrong and if you like question that, why
Mhm.
are we doing this? So the mother will be like shastra astate, like it's tradition.
Uh-huh.
So I like that
Okay.
part of series. So I think like Badipa came up with this concept and
So is
like,
it a
went up
series?
because of that series.
No, Badipa
Is a page. It's a
it's a
Facebook
Marathi
page.
collective?
Yeah. No, it's not a character. It's a Facebook
No,
page.
collective. It's a Marathi
Yeah,
collective.
Yeah,
collective.
okay.
Yes.
What they do is they also represent Marathi stand-up comics, and
Oh,
and they do like they have their own YouTube page
YouTube
where they
page.
upload your Marathi stand-up videos. Right?
Okay,
But
okay.
those
okay.
videos are like very cool.
Yeah,
You should go and
Really.
watch them. Like it will be fun.
Yeah, they do very good programming
It's
also.
programming,
on that.
yes.
Their live
Like,
show is
Really?
pretty good.
is
Okay.
it in Marathi or
It's fully in Marathi, but
Okay.
like it's normal Marathi, so you'll get to like understand.
okay.
They have subtitles,
Subtitles
too, so
too.
that's
Okay,
kind
that
of
helps.
yeah.
oh, then yeah, it helps.
All right.
Awesome.
But you should go because they have some interesting stuff. Like
W-
once you
because
start
this is our
watching them,
culture.
you'll be like, I'll binge watch it.
Okay, so you
Oh,
recommend people
That
check
kind
out their
of-
YouTube
yes.
channel or their
Yeah,
Instagram?
yeah,
or
their YouTube channel,
their YouTube channel. Okay, guys, go
Awesome.
check out their YouTube channel. Badipa.
Badipa.
Zalak, what about you?
Cool. So I have this animated series recommendation. It's called The Midnight Gospel. It's on Netflix,
Hmm.
and it's basically about the protagonist who stays somewhere in space, and he has a universe stimulator. So he can go into any universe which is made up of any random thing that you can think of, and he can't die.
And I must say though, any object called the universe stimulator sounds wrong. Let's just say
Yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
you've ruined.
Yeah,
you ruined the
It
midnight
is very
gospel.
philosophical. The show is very philosophical.
All right,
Okay,
cool.
Yeah.
Abhinit,
what's it called? Sorry.
the
the
midnight,
Midnight
gospel.
Gospel.
Okay,
No, Midnight Gospel, yeah.
It's on Netflix. Yeah. you can check
okay,
it out.
okay.
Abhinit, what about you?
Okay, so this time I'm recommending this YouTube channel called Beluga. It's Beluga.
Oh yeah.
So it's one of the like fastest growing YouTube channel in the history. So this guy,
You got like what you were telling me yesterday? How many you
Yeah.
got in like?
in 3 months, this channel Beluga, he gained around 4 million subscribers.
That's crazy in
Crazy.
3
In
months.
3 months.
Yeah, so it's not
What-
like
is he like
he's-
known before? Like had
Like,
or something?
what promotion did it?
Yeah. dude.
No, so the thing is the content. So what he does, he creates these small 2-3 minute videos of Discord conversations. So this
Like,
character
but what kind of Discord conversation?
random.
No, but Discord conversation can be of about anything, right?
Anything.
No,
yes.
these are like bizarre Discord conversations. For example, let me
Yeah.
give you an example.
Oh yeah.
What if you are a hacker and you are hacking the world, and the world is going to destroy if you don't pay this other person or other mod 10,000 coins, and you say I am not giving. So I cannot describe how bizarre these videos are. These are just random videos
Okay.
of conversations and just cut scenes.
Okay. I get it.
But you should watch this, because the reason I'm saying this, once you start watching it,
Yeah.
it's so addictive because it's just 2 minutes. It hardly takes any of your time, and then you just keep on going. And these are, so the main character is a cat.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, it's like a
Okay.
cat talking to this other cat called Hacker and Pablo. And the, for example, how Bhuvan Bam created his universe of different characters. So similarly,
Yeah.
this guy created a similar universe on Discord with these cats, and sometimes there is Donald Trump on that conversation on Discord saying bizarre things.
Hmm.
Okay.
So it makes zero sense, but then it's fun. There's a reason this channel got so popular in
That's
last
insane.
3 months.
I can't get my head around,
Around,
4 million
yes.
followers in 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
So it's
how,
called
how frequently do they come out with videos? Now must see like almost every day.
yeah.
Crazy.
Awesome,
All
yeah.
right, so that's Beluga on
Yeah,
YouTube, right?
YouTube.
All right, and my recommendation is I think last week or last to last week, I forgot when, but I had recommended a show called Dave, which is Lil Dicky, the rapper Lil Dicky, or Dave Bird's FX TV show. I had said that I had then said that it's an HBO show, but I was wrong. It's an FX show. But it's
Okay.
available on Hotstar. But that's why I got confused. It's an FX show on Hotstar called Dave. Still excellent show. Today I want to recommend Lil Dicky. For the last few days I've been checking out his freestyles. Like
Yeah, I
freestyle
know.
raps.
I know.
Yeah, the entire
Yeah,
office knows now.
entire office knows.
Antesh, because of you.
Exactly, dude. They're so damn
Yeah.
good, man. This guy's too talented.
Yeah.
His flow is excellent. The lyrics are just fabulous. Just go check out Lil Dicky on Sway in the morning. Sway's universe. Check out the freestyles that he's done 2 there. He's actually done 3 with them. 3 freestyles. No, 2 freestyles and 1 rap. He's done with them, like a song. And then he's done other freestyles in other places also. So please go check out all of them, especially the 5-minute one. I think there's like a 4-minute 35 seconds or something. One on Sway, which is just, oh my god, it's so good. It is just too great. So please go check that one out on YouTube. So
Okay,
yeah.
so a quick question, Antariksh.
Yeah.
If you meet Lil Dicky and he asks you, ki, would you like to make out? What would you say?
Lil Dicky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, just so I can say that I kissed Lil Dicky, yeah, I'll do it.
It's not just a kiss.
Then
Like you have to like make out.
nah, probably not. Well, why would I?
Yeah,
why
you
would I
should
do
say
that?
your dick is too little.
Why would I do that though?
Why would you say that?
Because his name is Lil Dicky.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, let's just end.
Alright, guys, that brings us to the end of the episode. That was a weird tangent. Abhinit just took it on.
Just
for
took
some
it on.
reason.
Like, wait, one second.
Lil Dicky, if you hear this, I don't need to make out with
What
you.
will
It's fine.
Abhinit do? If
No,
he meets Lil
I'm
Dicky.
not such a huge fan.
But who are you a huge fan of?
No one.
That's what I was saying right now. Alright. That brings us to the end of the episode. This was super fun. Thank you, Zalak, for that game. Thank you, Vinay and Abhinit, for joining us. This is me, Antarik, signing off. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Namaste, this is Cyrus Brocha. I am part of the government cancel culture program to remove rubbish off all the different streams available. So what we have is all the collected rubbish we put together on our show. It's called Cyrus Says. It's on IVM Podcast. You have to watch it and listen to it. It's on our app. It's on our website. It's on the YouTube channel. It's on Facebook. There are many different ways. Don't bother me and ask me how. You have to find out. We talk to different personalities. Many of them are known. Some are just people we meet downstairs and invite them up for chai. But the point is, it's fun and it's very therapeutic. So please join in and listen to Cyrus Says.
सफर, रास्ते, मंजिल और मुकाम अक्सर ये हमसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं, पर हम हैं कि अपनी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में इन्हें सुनने से कतराते हैं। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है केशव चतुर्वेदी और मैं आपको ले चलूंगा कुछ ऐसे सफर पर जहां आपको एक नया नजरिया मिलेगा सफर और मंजिलों को देखने का। आइए इन किस्से कहानियों में डूब जाएं। हर मंगलवार और शुक्रवार